Hi everyone, and welcome to this video that is going to be an unboxing of the new Elle Studio March kit. Here are the die cuts that you get in the kit. This is just a quick little look through of it. Here are the 4x6 tags. Great for journaling, great spring colors there, and also I love the gray. I love Ellie's neutral colors. And here are the 3x4 cards, and sorry that first one was a little not in focus, but I believe that one was the Right Now journaling tag. Super, super cute tag, great for journaling. You can see lots of spring colors, lots of spring elements, and some of the florals coming into play, and great plaid patterns, the greens. She always has some great colors. These are really, really good combination of cards to use for your pocket pages or scrapbooking. And here's some fun wood veneer numbers. These are great to document the year. This is also great to do like a list or a to-do, and also great for birthdays to highlight an age. You could also highlight an age for each person in your family. Super cute. And here are some adorable wood veneer Easter eggs. And then here, I love these. These are so adorable. Oh my goodness, Ellie comes out with the cutest things. Little chocolate acrylic Easter bunnies. And more little Easter bunnies. These are little peeps. These are the clear acrylic, and then you have a gold one there. So cute. And then here's some more wood pieces. You have these wood tags with the little speech bubbles, a happy Easter. And then you have some extra on this day in March and some extra journaling tags. And here are some of the cut apart labels. And then here are sticker labels. She has blank ones, and then she has some with sentiments already on them. And the sentiments are similar, if not the same, I believe, as the brand new, the detail stamp here. So you have the option, say you had a label from the other sheet and you didn't like that sentiment on that label color, you have the option to change it out. Now, I was really curious to see, and I need to play around with this, but I wanted to see if this Oh Happy Day stamp would fit within or around this new stamp set. And I'd have to stamp that out to see, but that's just something to keep in mind. I love how you can use the Elle Studio products like that and create totally different looks. Here's some really fun puffy stickers. I love the alphas, the white and the aqua color or turquoise color. And then here are the spring patterns. I really love Elle Studio's patterns. Nice, simple patterns, but just the right amount of color and texture. So this is just a really quick look through of what is available for March. And I hope that you have an idea of what you want to shop for and have fun, enjoy, and have fun documenting and creating. Thanks so much for watching.